I'm Toshiyuki Imamura from Weekend RCCS Japan. We're ready to start our poster from the report on Exa-scale HPL-AI benchmark collaboration with Shuhei Kudo, Keigo Nitadori, and Takuya Ina. Our poster reports the result of the HPL-AI benchmark on the supercomputer Fugaku. Features of HPL-AI is based on the HPL benchmark and it allows other than the double precision operations. Also, its two components are essential, arbitrary precision LU and computation and the iterative refinement method that outputs FP64 accuracy. Fugaku is equipped with the FP64, FP32, and the FP16 units, and we have also utilized them on the benchmark. The most expensive part is HGM, which is expected to the peak of Fugaku's capability of up to 2 exaflops. However, most significant benchmark was an experiment recorded 1.421 exaflops. It corresponds to the 90% of the theoretical peak of Fugaku. It is an outstanding achievement, not only evidence of the Fugaku's high performance, but also an epoch in the HPC community.